Hi there! In this Self-Love Affirmations Kit review, I'm going to show you a ready-made tool that can help you create valuable self-love resources for personal growth, coaching, or even starting your own business. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab the Self-Love Affirmations Kit through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. So, what is the Self-Love Affirmations Kit? The Self-Love Affirmations Kit is a done-for-you bundle that's perfect for anyone who wants to create and share self-love resources. Whether you're looking to enhance your personal growth, add value to your coaching business, or resell the content for 100% profit, this kit has you covered. It comes with 120 editable affirmation cards, color and black and white versions, in Canva and PDF formats. 5 long-form blog articles on self-love and mindfulness. Professionally narrated audio files for affirmations in both male and female voices. 50 AI self-inquiry, prompts for journaling or content creation. And the best part? You get unrestricted PLR rights to customize, sell, or use the materials however you like. What makes this stand out? Here are some features that caught my attention. Beginner-friendly. No design or tech skills required. You can edit everything in Canva for free. PLR rights. Included, rebrand, resell, or use the materials as is. High-quality content. The affirmation cards and audio files are beautifully designed and professionally recorded. Versatility. Use the materials for personal growth, as freebies to grow your email list, or sell them directly for profit. How it works. Getting started with the Self-Love Affirmations. Kit is simple. Download the materials. Edit the templates if needed using Canva. Start selling or using them in your personal or professional projects. No complicated setup or steep learning curves, just actionable tools ready to go. Let's talk about the upgrades, OTOs. Once you grab the main kit for just $9.95, you'll get access to these upgrades. FE Bump Success and Wellness Content Bundle 7 includes 60 vertical videos and 60 quote posts, all editable in Canva. OTO 1 Mental Health Posts Bundle $17. Over 250 posts for social media, perfect for engaging your audience. OTO 2 Self-Help Courses and Books Mega Bundle $19.95. A treasure trove of self-help ebooks and video courses with resale rights. OTO 2 Bump Additional Courses and Books $9.95. More courses and ebooks to add even more value. OTO 3 Meditation and Relaxation Music Bundle $19.97. Copyright-free music to create calming content. OTO 4 Mega Viral Videos Bundle $197. Thousands of PLR viral videos across various niches for massive content creation. Choose the upgrades that fit your needs, or grab them all to maximize value. What I like about the kit, it's easy to use. Even if you're new to PLR or design tools, the tutorial makes it super simple. High profit potential. Sell these resources for 100% of the profit without worrying about copyright. Taps into a hot niche. Personal development is evergreen, so there's always demand. What could be better? While the kit is packed with value, it's more suited for beginners or mid-level creators. If you're looking for advanced tools or highly specialized content, you might need to supplement it with other resources. If you're looking for an affordable, high-quality way to grow in the personal development niche, either for yourself or as a business, then the Self-Love Affirmations Kit is a must-have. Grab it using my link below, and don't forget to check out the exclusive bonuses I've put together for you. They're waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my Self-Love Affirmations Kit review. If you found this helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. See you in the next video.